Hello guys, so welcome back. So I'm really sorry that I couldn't make any video from last long as I was infected with COVID. So now I recovered from that COVID and start doing this stuff. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can install Microsoft Windows 11. Microsoft just launched this Windows 11 on 24th June in India and is free to upgrade for Windows 10 users. And if we talk about the minimum hardware requirements, so you need at least Intel, at least 2017, AMD Zen 2, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. So, so I'm going to perform this lab on my Hyper-V environment. So I have already enabled a Hyper-V feature in my Windows OS. So if you want to enable this feature, just go to control panel, add remove program and turn on or off Windows feature, then select the Hyper-V and restart your machine as is required. So after that, just open a Hyper-V. Uh, just right click on this host and choose new virtual machine. Enter the name for this virtual machine. Click next, generation. I said dynamic, but if you want, you can uncheck this box and provide a sufficient RAM. So I'm going to assign a approx RAM 4. So click next. So right now I'm not connected with any network, so leave it default. Next. So here you can define the window size. So leave it. Next. Install an operating system from a bootable. I have already the ISO, so it's under my desktop. So okay, so click next. It's a review, just finish. So it's start creating a Windows 11 as I added one another two because I have already Windows 11 VSD file on my folder. So just right click start. So now it's starting. So let me open this. So here's the like a language, date and time, so you can change as per your requirement. Click next, install now. So guys, if you have a product key, then you can enter the product key and make sure you are connected with the internet when you are providing an internet key. As I don't have a product key, so I'll go with this option. So from here you can choose the version which you want to install. I'm going to install a Windows 10 11 Pro. Read the terms, click next. There is nothing a difference called installation between 10 or 11, but I'm going to show you that how you can perform the installation. So if you want, you can upgrade. I'm going to install a clean installation. So next, if you want, you can create a partition. I don't require it, so click next. So here I'm going to pause the video because this will take some time. So I'll get back to you. So guys, it's totally depend upon your hardware. So if you are using a latest hardware and you have at least 8 GB RAM and SSD drive, so it won't take this long time. So we are almost done. So guys, from here you need to select your region. So I'm going to select the United States. We need to select the right keyboard layout for input method. So select the layout and click on yes. And if you want to add another keyboard, you can add layout or skip. So if you have a internet connection, then click next. Otherwise, I don't have a internet connection. So continue with limited connection as I don't have a internet right now. Enter your name. So I'm going to enter the name STP, that is Sumbria Tech Point. Click next. Choose the password if you want, but it's my recommendation, choose a strong password as I'm performing a lab, so I'm not going to select any password. Click next. Choose the privacy settings. Go through each of them and select enable or disable as per your requirement. Then click accept. So same with Windows 10, getting things ready for you, be with us, all the stuff. So guys, finally Windows 10 11 installation is completed. So now you can see this is our brand new Windows 11. So if you click on personalize, you can change the wallpaper and more the stuff. So, so guys, if you can take a look, system properties, so you can see that I have a this RAM and all these settings. I say Windows 11 Pro Dev and all the things. So as of now, my product is not activated, so I can't perform many things. So this is all about that how you can install a Windows 11. It's very simple and easy. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and do share with your nears and dears. Thanks. Have a nice day. Bye bye.